A red tide is a natural phenomenon in which populations of algae or other microorganisms grow explosively, usually harming aquatic ecosystems such as lakes, rivers, and seas. Damage can happen in different ways, such as by algae leaking toxins into the water or blocking sunlight. Red tides also affect human activities. For example, fisheries have had to stop working because caught fish might be contaminated, and entire cities can be left without running water for days. Unfortunately, pollution is making red tides and similar phenomena more common. We need quick, efficient ways of detecting them to take the necessary preventive actions. Now, researchers at Busan National University, Korea have come up with a very convenient solution. Their strategy consists of equipping a drone with a multispectral camera, sensors, and processing equipment. This drone can be deployed from land or from a boat, and by processing the multispectral images it takes, the intensity and limits of a red tide can be calculated in real time, without even having to take water samples. Their approach is applicable not only to drones, but to any platform that can carry a multispectral camera, such as a helicite or other aircrafts. It is also inexpensive, environment-friendly, and is not restricted to fixed locations or high-altitude platforms like existing image-based solutions. Most importantly, the techniques used, measuring atmospheric radiation, water radiation, and diffuse illumination at the site, are based on robust scientific research on the optical properties of red tide species. They also verified their method by collecting water samples from boats during site surveys. The solution proposed by these researchers will give us a literal upper hand when facing red tides.